Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to make Canon DSLR or mirrorless camera to capture photo or video automatically after every seconds. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my Canon mirrorless camera. So if you have a Canon DSLR camera, still the tricks will remain the same. So firstly, before proceeding, what you need to do is on your respective Android or iPhone smartphones, you need to download one application. So right now I'm using an Android smartphone. So if you're using an iPhone smartphone, still the tricks will remain the same. So on your Android smartphone, just go to the Play Store, and if you're using an iPhone smartphone, then just go to the App Store. And just search for one application named as Intervalometer for Canon. Just search this application. On the first place you will see the application. Just tap on it. I'll tap on install to install this application. So once the installation is done, just tap on open. Just allow all the permission. Now you can see this kind of user interface, right? So on the above you can see you start by connecting to your camera. So firstly just turn on the Bluetooth on your respective smartphone, and now on your respective Canon mirrorless or DSLR camera, just tap on this menu button and just go to the start option and just enable the Bluetooth firstly. So in my case it's already enabled, so select the Bluetooth and enable it, and after that just select the first option, Wi-Fi or Bluetooth connection, and now you will see here connect to smartphone. Just select it and click on, and now on the above you will see your add a device to connect to. Just tap on it. Now just select the first option, do not display. Just tap on it. Now you will get an option pair via Bluetooth, so you need to select the first option. Click on OK. Now on your respective smartphone, as you can see here, one icon, camera icon on the right top corner. Just tap on it. Now as you can see here, it's already detected. If it's not detected, then you can just click on this start new scan. So in my case it's already detected, so let me click on here. Now click on pair, click on done. OK. Now just click on OK on your respective camera. Click on OK. Now it's been connected. As you can see here, it's detected my camera and it's been connected with this application. So now you can see, you can select the time depending upon your needs. You can set it to different minutes or times. So let me select it to respective. Just to give you an example, 3 seconds. Just to give you an example, just 3 seconds, and you can see your bulb mode 5 times and stop after 240 pictures. So right now its photo mode is selected. So if you want to select it for the video, then just tap on it here. Then the video will be selected. So right now let us try with the photo mode. So I'll just try to capture the photo after every 3 seconds. So I will just set a time to give you an example. You can set it to different minutes or hours depending upon your needs. Now what I will do is let me try to focus on one image. So I focused, and now let me click on this red button. Just press it, and after every 3 seconds, so you can see a countdown. So you can see one photo, 3. So 4 photos has been taken, as you can see here. So after every 3 seconds it will continuously take photo, as you can see. So if you want to stop it manually, then you can stop it right now. And similarly you can do the same thing with the video. Just select the video icon and select your timer depending upon your needs. So let me select it. Similarly after every 3 seconds, let me click on this red button again. So you can see your record button, it's starting to record the video right now. So you can see shots taken, that is the recorded video after every 3 seconds. 4 recorded videos, 5. So using this application named as Intervalometer, you can easily make Canon DSLR or mirrorless camera to capture photo or video automatically after every seconds. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.